Hey guys, welcome to Tech Notebook, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to keyframe in Davinci Resolve. So, let's get started. Okay, so the result I want from this project is to be able to move this picture, which I've just dragged on the timeline, across the screen. So what we have to do first starting off is to make this picture smaller so we can move it across the screen. And then we also need to adjust its position, so let's lower the X value to get it to the left hand side of the screen. So now here's how keyframing works. So it marks the frame, and then you need to go to the end of where you want it to be, like say right here, and then you adjust the value, and then that area should get keyframed automatically. Then from there, this item will move in between the keyframes. So to start off, I'm going to keyframe this place. As you can see, we are at the beginning of the composition. So now we're going to keyframe the position right now. And then now we want to go to the somewhere close to the end, right? Like say right there. And then now we want to change the X value, right? Bring it to the other side, and it should auto keyframe. So now when you move the cursor, as you can see, the picture moves with it. Okay, so here's another example. So I want this video to zoom out midway. So here's what you want to do. So you want to select the video, make sure it's selected, and you want to keyframe where you want the zoom out to start, which is say right here. And then now you need to move to another spot in the video, and then reduce this, say, to here. And then as you can see, the video gets smaller, right? So let's play it. And as you can see, the size of this video is decreasing. Okay, so guys, that was the end of my short tutorial on how to keyframe. Comment below how you like this short form of videos, and tell me if it helped you or not. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.